Looking for a way to combine automation with human oversight? Let's take a closer look at viaSocket human intervention feature, which lets you pause workflow, ensure approval and proceed confidently. As not every step can run on autopilot, sometimes human check is what keeps things accurate. For example, if someone fills out a form asking for login access, the workflow can stop and send the request to a manager on Slack. Once the manager approves it, the login details are sent by email right away. Now, let's walk through a simple demo workflow. I'll start by setting Google Sheet as the trigger and connecting it. Next, I'll choose the spreadsheet and pick the subsheet and edit. Now, from the built-in tools, I'll select Human Intervention and connect it with Slack. Here, I'm mapping the fields and approval buttons. And save it. Again, from the built-in tools, I'm taking multiple paths. In path 1, if the manager approves the request, then the credential will be directly shared over the mail. And in the second path, if the manager rejects the request, then the workflow will stop right here. Map all the required fields. In human intervention, the workflow is tested as a whole once it's completed. The workflow is ready, just go live, publish and test. After testing, the manager instantly receives an approval request on Slack. As soon as the manager approves the request, the user is sent an email containing login credentials. Human intervention is not just about approving emails, it's a versatile tool used in many scenarios. Human intervention helps you manage your everyday tasks easily and make sure you stay in control when it's important. Pause, review, continue when anything important comes up. Work smarter, stay organized, and let automation handle your easy stuff, all with viaSocket Human Intervention.